Here how Zion started this Catholic priest that is there that created the credibility and people were gathering. They were making the announcement in the Catholic parishes, sharing flyer in Catholic parishes, promoting it as a Catholic thing until money started coming. People started giving gifts, buying land. They started buying the land. Somebody gave them gave a car. The priest now requested him to bring the car and they bring the document. Let them understand now that the Archdiocese of Lagos have given them a priest who will be in a kind of chaplain to them and help them to grow their ministry. The priest now requested Ebuka to bring the document. Let them hold meeting. Ebuka said no and ran away and said they are not going to. Every attempt to reach out to him prove abortive. He said no, that they cannot, they want to hijack the ministry. That's not a problem. Now, Archdiocese of Lagos issued what? A disclaimer that Catholics are not allowed to go there. If they go there, they are in disobedience, and they do so at the risk of the authentic Catholic faith. So when that happened, I didn't have a problem with it. I saw it as like Yoruba, Igbo jealousy. I'm just being sincere. I'm a priest, but I'm just being sincere. I see it as Igbo, Yoruba jealousy. I left it. I just pray. See, because that time they also told me to leave Archdiocese of Lagos. I didn't know that God was showing me humility because you can never fight Kali Church and win. They never born your mama. They never born your papa. You can't fight Kali Church and win. They'll just leave you. Just melt. So I look at it. I now obeyed. I closed my home ministry in Lagos. I left. This man continued. I was wishing him well.
Off the comment section, please, so that Father can concentrate.
Is it possible?
Leave the comment. It's not my problem. So I was wishing the well before I started seeing all manner of a kind of things and the emphasis on miracle, prophecy, calling phone numbers. When they call number of motor registration number, people will come out. I started suspecting that this may be an arrangement because since I started driving motor, I've never known my car number. How will people cram their car number? That's their registration number of their car. So that immediately they say they come out, they will tell them don't drive the car. Accident is in the car. They just devise wicked and satanic things and begin practicing it in the name of Kali Church. And I asked you a question. You say you're a Catholic, that Father Mbaka train you, Father Mmerukogene train you. Have you ever seen them mentioning private part, giving putting mouth on the private part of a woman? Have you ever seen any Catholic priest? You said that we are impure. Have you ever seen any Catholic priest describing the sex the way you describe it in the public, shameless? So that's where the suspicion started. That's where the suspicion started. Until the day that very woman that gave testimony that is from Enugu, he said he was asking a question and started describing, and that Anambra people's private part is very big, and that they know how to do. How many times
they call them like, they call them name like that. Maka Facebook, I beg.
Okay. On Facebook, they boost a block or Chago didn't get Buka before I block wrong. So they were busy describing when you want to come marry a teenager. And I say, I say, no, can't work, no, everybody was laughing. And the way they were talking, I was looking immediately, a message came to me that something has gone wrong. And I entered into prayers. That was where the research started.